schone water dankzij slimme technologie. Richard Hardiman van Ranmarine laat zien hoe autonome robots bijdragen aan een duurzamere leefomgeving. Welkom bij deze nieuwe aflevering van Ook Jouw Zaak, waarin ondernemers vertellen wat innovatie hun zaak oplevert.
My name is Richard Hardiman. I'm the founder of Ranmarine Technology here in Rotterdam. Ranmarine develops robots that go through water environments on the surface, and we clean up pollution. And that pollution could be algae, plastics that shouldn't be in that water space, and at the same time we measure the water quality beneath the surface as well. I started Ranmarine in 2016, but the idea for it came up in 2009, where I saw people cleaning out harbors using big boats and big nets and trying to scoop trash out of the water. And at the time, I thought it would be easier if we had a 24-hour networked system that could clean that harbor without human involvement, which meant developing a robot that could do that. I think our principal idea with our robots was that we wanted to stop more trash going into the ocean. But most of those plastics come from rivers and harbors and anywhere where man meets water, basically. Once we realized we had a robot that sends and receives data, we realized that we could plug in any kind of sensor onto that platform. So what we do is we attach water quality sensors to the robots, and that sends anything from pH, stability, salinity, and we start building up a real profile of what that water environment has beneath the surface. And if there is a problem, we can alert our customers and they can take care of it. But now we've realized that we can also help with oil spills. So we're developing an oil mitigation system that could just slot into the platform and clean up that oil. PFAS is forever chemicals in the water is a big issue. We're now looking at how we can create a reactor to go and clean that up. Blauwalg, excuse my pronunciation. But we've developed a reactor now that can clean up and tackle that, which is a massive problem here in Europe. So we've taken a platform and now realize we can just slot things in there to mitigate any challenges in that water environment that our customers might be facing. I think any time that you work in the sustainable or environmental space, it's seen as innovative, and there's not always a lot of money to be focused on that. It needs people to put money in, and if it's not a good business idea, then it's an idea that will do good, but you're going to have problems sustaining it. I think it's a mistake often that's made that I have a good idea that will do great for the planet, which is wonderful, but if you want to sustain it, build it, grow it, it needs to be a business. So you have to go in with that focus. Make sure it pays you and it pays the business, because that'll grow it.
Heeft het verhaal van Richard je geïnspireerd en wil jij ook duurzaam innoveren? Kijk dan even op de website voor het hele verhaal en andere inspirerende verhalen van ondernemers.